National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Commission, or NBTC, is an independent state regulatory to regulate the broadcasting and telecommunications services in Thailand. NBTC has established the policy on radio frequency management and the use of frequencies which are national communications resources to benefit the public and for the utmost benefit at national and local levels in education, culture, state security, and other public interests, including free and fair competition, established by the 2007 Constitution of Thailand. NBTC realizes the importance of Thailand's communication services to be in line with the global evolution and to have radio frequency regulations promote the sustainability in every other sector of national development. For Thailand, the radio frequency has been used in 4 major telecommunications services, namely sound broadcasting, television broadcasting, telecommunication, and amateur radio services. Each function has tremendous significance to the country. Today, Thailand has more than 66 million people. The demand to receive information and get access to communication services is rapidly rising. Either visual, voice, or data transmission, all need the use of radio frequency. To respond to the increasing demand, frequency assignment becomes a key subject that requires careful procedures. NBTC has constructed the roadmap to bring about communications technology for economic and social development to ensure advancement and compliance with international standards. For example, there is the management of the spectrum in telecommunications business, with plans for frequency allocations and licensing. In October 2012, NBTC arranged the 2.1 GHz spectrum auction, and by the end of 2013, NBTC will license the use of radio frequencies in the range of 510 to 790 MHz for digital TV in television broadcasting services. All is truly for the public interest and Thailand's communications development. NBTC acknowledges social responsibility and public interest under spectrum allocation more than the purpose to seek profit from the one-time auction. The true objective is to maximize efficiency in the use of communication resources and grant fairness among all parties, either public, private, or end users in communications industries. Finally, NBTC aims to use the transition of the practice from concession regime to licensing regime as the start of fair competition in radio frequency allocation. Thailand's communications development will have better future of providing universal technology accessibility that will put a smile on Thai people's face forever.